So this is part of another delivery that we got from Simple Joy Nursery in Kingston Springs, and most of these plants are the shade-loving evergreen or semi-evergreen plants that we'll be putting into the forest edges around the honey cabin and roots cabin. So we have blue-eyed grass, we have multiple different types of sedge or carex, and these are kind of the underdogs of the garden and plant world because nobody really uses them in garden design much, but they're incredibly useful and incredibly adaptable to multiple environments. So, for example, this one here, which is Carex flacca, I think this one's called Bunny Blue or Hobbs. This one has strap-like foliage, and I would consider it the best possible replacement for monkey grass or loriope. This one will require less nutrition. It won't be invasive. It's blue all year. It's more active in the winter, and it actually produces flower spikes and looks cool during other parts of the season. So all of these plants around me in the foreground here, including the heuchera and the sedges, and a couple of species of ferns, these will represent the majority of the understory around a number of the shadier parts of the property. And that'll blend in perfectly with what's already here on the hillsides around them. So we're not really reinventing the wheel here and bringing in a bunch of new plants. We looked at what was here, we found what was available both in cultivated varieties and natural form, and now we're going to be installing them in the places they would naturally like to grow. And what happens with all of this is a lot less maintenance and a lot more enjoyment for both the people who come here, work here, and the animals. So by using native plant species and understanding the site selection properly, we'll be creating something that is sustainable and beautiful without a ton of work after the initial install.